The auto start-stop system on your 2021 and newer Ford Explorer can be permanently disabled by installing a plug-and-play eliminator module behind your center dash switch. This simple device remembers your preference, so you never have to press the button every time you start your car. Before you begin, turn off your engine and grab a plastic trim removal tool. You need to access the climate control panel in the center console. Use the trim tool to carefully pry off the outer trim piece surrounding the screen and climate buttons. Work slowly around the edges to avoid snapping any plastic clips. Once the outer trim is loose, pull the climate control and switch panel forward. You will see several wiring harnesses connected to the back. Locate the specific harness plug directly behind the auto start-stop button. Squeeze the release tab on the factory connector and pull it out. Take your new start-stop eliminator cable and plug one end into the factory harness you just disconnected. Plug the other end directly into the back of the start-stop switch on the panel. Tuck the extra wiring neatly into the empty space behind the dash so it does not rattle. Push the climate control panel back into place and snap the outer trim ring firmly into the dash. Start your Explorer and press the auto start-stop disable button once. The system will now stay completely turned off every single time you start your vehicle.